I'm Daniel Driscoll from Signature Consignment here in Austin. And in this video, I'll walk you through how to get your car ready to sell, just like the pros do it. 1. Deep clean inside and out. Wash, wax, vacuum, and wipe everything down. First impressions matter. You're not just selling a car, you're selling how it makes someone feel. 2. Remove personal items. Empty glove box, trunk, and center console. Make it easy for the buyer to imagine it's theirs. 3. Fix minor issues. Burnt out lights, low tires, cosmetic scratches, they all chip away at value. A $300 fix can save you $3,000 in negotiations. 4. Check fluids and dashboard lights. No one wants to see a check engine light or low oil. A quick check can boost buyer confidence big time. 5. Gather all your documents. Title, extra keys, service records. Having your paperwork in order makes for a smooth sale. Now, if that sounds like a lot of work, you're right. But here's the good news. At Signature Consignment, we handle all of that for you. You just drop off your car, we do the rest. Visit signatureconsignment.com or give us a call today.